Hi everyone, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today we step into a powerful truth, 4 ways to clean your aura, guided by the calm strength and disciplined wisdom of Shi Heng Yi. Let's begin this journey inward. In a world that never truly rests, many souls walk forward carrying invisible weight. They breathe, but they are not at ease. They move, but they are not present. Their bodies are awake, yet their inner energy is restless and scattered. This heaviness is not always caused by failure or loss. Often it is the quiet result of neglected inner balance. Your aura, the unseen field of energy that surrounds you, absorbs every thought, every emotion, every reaction. When it is disturbed, clarity fades. When it is neglected, strength weakens. As Shi Heng Yi teaches, true power does not announce itself. It is silent, it is disciplined, it is rooted within. When your aura is clean, your presence speaks before your words ever do. In the modern world, many people feel tired without doing much, distracted even when they sit quietly, and heavy without knowing why. They wake up exhausted, go through the day on autopilot, and fall asleep feeling empty. Life feels noisy, rushed, and overwhelming. But the real problem is not always the world outside. The real problem is often the world inside. Every human being carries an invisible field of energy around them. This energy reflects your thoughts, emotions, habits, and discipline. Some call it aura. When this energy is clean, you feel calm, confident, focused, and grounded. When it is disturbed, you feel anxious, reactive, insecure, and drained. A dirty aura does not mean you're weak, it means your energy is scattered. This message is about returning to inner order, not by escaping the world, but by learning how to stand steady within it. Your breath, your emotions, your body, and your mind are not separate forces. They move together, shaping your inner energy moment by moment. The guiding principle is self-mastery through awareness. When inner chaos dissolves, outer life begins to align. Calm becomes your foundation, discipline becomes your shield, and silence becomes your strength. Shi Heng Yi teaches that true strength is internal. It is not loud, it is not aggressive, it is calm, silent, and disciplined. A strong person is not someone who controls others, but someone who controls themselves. Cleaning your aura is not magic, and it is not spirituality without effort. It is daily self-mastery. Your aura is affected by how you breathe, how you react, how you move, and how you think. Every small habit either strengthens your energy or slowly drains it. You do not need to escape society to protect your aura. You need to learn how to live consciously within it. Today, we will explore 4 powerful ways to clean your aura, not in theory, but in real daily life. These are simple practices, but they require discipline, and discipline, when practiced daily, creates inner power. Way 1. Silence, breath, and the way you start your day. The first way to clean your aura begins the moment you wake up. Most people start their day in chaos. The alarm rings, the phone is checked, messages are read, social media is scrolled, and before the body even moves, the mind is already overloaded. This instantly disturbs the aura. Shi Heng Yi emphasizes the power of silence. Silence is not empty. Silence is clarity. When your day begins in silence, your energy remains stable. A simple daily routine example is this. When you wake up, do not touch your phone for the first 10 minutes. Sit on your bed. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes gently. Take slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your lower belly. Exhale slowly, releasing tension. Breathing is not just air. Breathing is communication with your nervous system. Slow breathing tells your body that it is safe. The heart rate slows. The mind becomes quiet. Emotional residue from yesterday begins to dissolve. After breathing, drink a glass of water slowly. Water cleanses the body. And it also cleanses energy. Do not rush. Awareness itself is a cleanser. Even brushing your teeth can become a grounding practice when done with full attention. If possible, stand near a window or step outside for a moment. Feel the air. Feel your feet on the ground. This connects your energy with the present moment. Silence also means reducing unnecessary talking in the morning. Many people talk excessively without purpose. Words carry energy. When you speak without awareness, you scatter your aura. Speak less, but speak with intention. When your morning begins with silence and controlled breath, your aura becomes protected. The day may still bring challenges, but your inner state will not collapse easily. Way 2. Emotional discipline in daily interactions. The second way to clean your aura is emotional discipline. Most energy loss happens through emotions. Anger, jealousy, fear, resentment, and guilt are heavy emotions. When you carry them, your aura becomes dense and unstable. Shi Heng Yi teaches that emotions are natural, but reactions are choices. The event is external. The reaction is internal. This difference gives you power. Consider a daily life example. You are at work and someone criticizes you harshly. The immediate reaction is to feel attacked. Your chest tightens. Your breath becomes shallow. If you react instantly, your aura absorbs that negativity. Instead, practice the pause. Take one slow breath before responding. Observe the emotion instead of becoming it. Ask yourself, is this worth my energy? Most of the time, it is not. Another example is family conflict. Someone may bring up old mistakes or speak without kindness. If you react emotionally every time, you carry that energy all day. Emotional discipline means responding calmly or choosing silence. Forgiveness is one of the strongest aura cleansers. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting or accepting harm. It means releasing emotional attachment. Holding grudges keeps your aura tied to the past. Forgiving frees you. Practice forgiveness daily, especially before sleep. Reflect on the day. Notice if resentment remains. Consciously release it. Say internally, I let this go. This clears emotional weight. Gratitude is another powerful emotional cleanser. Throughout the day, especially during routine tasks like walking, eating, or commuting, name 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude raises your emotional frequency. A grateful mind cannot hold heavy energy for long. When you master emotional discipline, your aura becomes calm and strong. You stop leaking energy into unnecessary reactions. Way 3. Physical discipline and movement. The third way to clean your aura is through the body. Shi Heng Yi teaches that the body is the foundation of the mind. A neglected body creates stagnant energy. A disciplined body allows energy to flow freely. Many people think aura is only spiritual, but physical habits affect energy deeply. Poor posture, lack of movement, unhealthy food, and poor sleep weaken the aura. A simple daily routine example is stretching. Spend 10 minutes stretching your body. Rotate your neck slowly. Stretch your arms. Bend forward gently. These movements release stored tension. Stress often hides in the shoulders, hips, and lower back. Walking is another powerful practice. Walk daily without headphones or phone for at least 10 minutes. Feel each step. Match your breath to your movement. This grounds your energy and clears mental clutter. Posture matters throughout the day. Sitting with a collapsed posture sends a signal of weakness to the nervous system. Sit upright. Relax your shoulders. Align your spine. A straight posture allows energy to circulate properly. Eating habits also affect your aura. Eating in a rushed, distracted state creates heaviness. Try eating at least one meal daily in silence. No phone, no screen. Chew slowly. Feel the taste. This improves digestion and energy flow. Sleep is essential. Late nights, constant scrolling, and poor rest drain the aura. Create a simple night routine. Dim the lights. Avoid screens before sleep. Breathe slowly. A rested body holds energy better. Physical discipline does not require perfection. It requires consistency. When the body is ordered, the mind becomes stable, and the aura becomes clean. Way 4. Mental discipline, boundaries, and purpose. The fourth way to clean your aura is mental discipline. The mind is the biggest source of energy loss. Overthinking, worrying, comparing yourself to others, and constant stimulation fragment your aura. Shi Heng Yi teaches that attention is power. Where attention goes, energy flows. If your attention is scattered, your energy becomes weak. A daily example is mental clutter in the morning. Thinking about many problems at once creates stress. Instead, write down your tasks. Order creates calm. A clear plan protects your energy. Limit your exposure to negative information. Constant news and social media consumption overload the mind. Choose specific times instead of endless scrolling. Protect your mental space as you protect your physical space. Another important practice is setting boundaries. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. Learn to say no. Protect your time. Distance yourself from people who constantly drain you emotionally. This is not selfish, it is self-respect. Purpose also cleans the aura. When you lack direction, energy leaks into distractions. Purpose gives your energy direction. Your purpose does not need to be grand. Even simple goals aligned with discipline, growth, and calmness are enough. At night, reflect briefly. Ask yourself what drained your energy and what strengthened it. Awareness leads to improvement. Over time, your aura becomes strong because your life becomes intentional. A clean aura is not something you chase, it is something you protect. It is built in moments of stillness, in conscious choices, and in the courage to remain disciplined when distraction feels easier. Cleaning your aura is not a one-time action, it is a daily responsibility. Just as you clean your body every day, you must clean your energy every day. Are your daily habits strengthening your energy or slowly draining it away? When you choose awareness over reaction and presence over escape, your energy transforms. You no longer seek peace, you become it. This is the quiet strength of the warrior, not dominance over others, but mastery of the self. When you choose silence over noise, awareness over reaction, discipline over comfort, and purpose over distraction, your aura naturally becomes strong. Life will still challenge you, but you will face it with calm instead of chaos. Shi Heng Yi reminds us that the warrior's path is internal. The greatest battle is not against others, but against unconscious habits. Your aura reflects how you live, not what you wish for. So ask yourself this one honest question. What kind of energy are you carrying into the world each day? And is it lifting you higher or slowly pulling you away from yourself? Choose discipline, choose awareness, and your inner power will speak without words.